Hi wonderful people, welcome to another episode of Lissy Does It. And you guys were interested in more vegan recipes, and I got a comforting recipe for you. Warm if you're in cold weather right now. This is perfect and so filling and so nutritious, so healthy. You're gonna want to have seconds of this. The recipe we're making today, I call it's my take of curry lentil vegan soup. And yeah, this is my spin on it. So I'm just going to grab my hair and we're gonna get started. For this recipe, it's useful and more yummy if you have different types of lentils to mix it with. But if you don't, you can just use whatever variety you can find at the grocery store. I'm going to use half cup of golden lentils, half cup of beluga or caviar lentils, and half a cup of green lentils. Leave that soaking for half an hour, and let's move to the rest of the ingredients. If you have smoked paprika, you do not need the smoke sauce. If you don't, get some smoke sauce. You're gonna need some avocado oil, about a tablespoon. You're going to need 2 cups of carrots, 2 cups of celery, 2 cups of potatoes, 1/4 cup of tomato paste, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 cup of non-dairy milk. And for the spices, you need 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of paprika, and 2 teaspoons of curry powder. So this recipe is really easy always, but it's really easy and really fast if you have a pressure cooker. If you use a pressure cooker, the lentils are going to cook super fast. You can still do it on a regular pot with the lid on, but it might take a while. It might take a little bit. So get yourself a pressure cooker or a regular pot. Pour some olive oil. Add about a tablespoon of olive oil to your pot. Let that simmer and medium heat. Add your garlic cloves and your celery to the pot. Let it simmer a little bit and then add your carrots, your potatoes. Keep the heat at a medium-low heat, at a low simmer, so you don't burn your veggies as you add the spices. Add your tomato paste, your cumin, paprika, ginger, and curry powder. Some smoke sauce. Give it a nice smoky flavor and mix this all very, very well. Add 6 cups of water. Add your lentils and give it a nice good mix. We're going to add some salt and some pepper to activate that antioxidant power in the curry. Put the lid on, make sure you close it tight and you close it right. And that's it guys, it's super easy. Just put it in the pot, close the lid, and let it come to steam. Once it starts to steam up, put on a timer for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna come back, look at it, and add a couple of more ingredients to it. And that's it, it's done. It's super fast and easy if you have this pot, if you have a pressure cooker of any kind. If you don't, make sure you leave the lid on and check on the lentils and how cooked they are. It can take you between 30 to 40 minutes to fully cook the lentils, but if you pre-soak ahead of time, that might be less. To be clear guys, it can take you between 30 to 40 minutes on a regular pot and only 5 minutes on a pressure cooker. So once we have reached our 5 minutes on our timer, we're just going to add our cup of non-dairy milk, and we're going to add some greens to bring this all into a very complete healthy meal. I'm adding 2 cups of this mix of greens. It has kale, spinach, and other yummy greens I can't remember now. And we're gonna add some lemon to our curry soup. Top it off with some vegan coconut yogurt and some red pepper flakes and basil leaves on top. And oh my god, this is amazing. It's comfort food that you can feel good about because it's healthy. It has greens, it has carbs, it has protein, it has healthy fats, everything you need for a good healthy vegan diet, and it's so good. It warms up your soul. So if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and let me know if you made this soup and if you like it.